Hello everyone, good morning and Jai Hind to all of you. So as you all know previously, we have seen some sums of exercise number 4.2. So how to make a quadratic equation and after that solve them, right? And how to factorize that equation. So let's move to the number 6 of exercise number 4.2, which is the most important. Which is the most important sum, right? A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. That means उस दिन में जितने भी आर्टिकल्स प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, ठीक है, उसके ट्वाइस एंड 3 मोर देन, यानी ट्वाइस, यानी सपोज हमने नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स पर डे जो प्रोडक्शन होता है दैट इज x, सो उसका ट्वाइस हो जाएगा 2x एंड 3 मोर देन, दैट मींस 2x plus 3 which is the price per article, right? So if the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, यानी उस दिन में जितना टोटल प्रोडक्शन हुआ है, ठीक है, जो हमने x सपोज किया, सो दैट इज 90 रुपीज टोटल कॉस्टिंग है. सो फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स प्रोड्यूस्ड एंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच आर्टिकल, राइट? सो लेट अस अज्यूम फर्स्ट, सपोज the number of articles, suppose the number of articles produced on that day equals to x. Now cost per article, that is twice the number of produced articles, that is 2x, and 3 more than that, that means 2x plus 3 rupees, right? Now per article cost is 2x plus 3 rupees, and you can see on that total number of articles produced is x, right? So for one article cost is rupees 2x plus 3 rupees, then how much for x articles? So x into 2x plus 3 rupees, but total costing is given to you, right? Total cost is rupees 90. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, so this is given to you is 90, right? So therefore 90 equals to x into 2x, that is 2x square, plus x into 3, that is 3x. Therefore 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equals to 0, right? Now multiply this 90 to 2, so you get 180, and factorize as the subtraction of them is 3, right? So solve this and find the roots of this quadratic equation, okay, and find the value of x, ठीक है, x that is the total number of articles produced on that day, and you have to also find cost of each article, that is 2x plus 3. So substitute value of x in this 2x plus 3 and you get the cost per RT, right? Solve this. Okay, so I hope it's completed, right? Now, next. Solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square, but which is excluded from your syllabus, right? So we are going to start. Quadratic formula, right? So quadratic formula, if we have any quadratic equation and we want to solve them, otherwise we have to find its zeros or roots, right? So as we completed कि कैसे हम factorize करते हैं, but if this is not possible, factorization is not possible, so at that time we can use this method, quadratic formula. So quadratic formula for any quadratic equation is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of d upon 2a. So what is the formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of d upon 2a, right? So this is two values of x. Why? First one is plus, second minus, right? So we can separate as minus b plus square root of d upon 2a, and second minus b minus root d upon 2a, right? So here we know that the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is quadratic equation, and a, b and c are integers, right? So here b, which is coefficient of x, a coefficient of x square. But what is d? So d is b square minus 4ac, right? B square, that means this coefficient of x उसका स्क्वायर माइनस 4, a coefficient of x square, c constant, right? So if we substitute the value of a, b and c here, so we get the value of d. Now there are three cases which is depends on value of d. So if d is greater than 0, that means positive. So it has real and distinct roots. Okay, so if d greater than 0, then a quadratic equation has two real and distinct roots, right? Second case, if d equals to 0, you can see here if d equals to 0, then addition subtraction 0 के साथ तो सेम ही रहेगा, so equal roots. So a quadratic equation has equal roots, right? Third, d less than 0, it means negative. So if d is negative, then we know that here in place of d, if we substitute any negative value, so which is not possible. Why? Square root of any negative number, which is not possible, and that's why there is no roots. Otherwise, roots are not exist, right? So these are three cases which depends on value of d. Okay. So among these three, we can directly here say that e कोई भी quadratic equation है तो उसके roots जो है, ठीक है, वो कैसे, right? Now exercise 4.3, number 1, find the roots of following quadratic equation if they exist. यहाँ पे आपको ऐसा बोला है if they exist, it means if d is greater than 0 and d is equals to 0, then roots are exist. But if d less than 0, so roots are not exist, right? So first we need to find value of d. So first equation is 2x square minus 7x plus 3. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. Now value of a is 2, b is minus 7, c is 3, right? So d equals to b square minus 4ac. b square, that is minus 7 square minus 4, a is 2 and c is 3. Okay. Now minus 7 square is 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 49 minus 24, that is 25. And also 25 which is greater than 0, and greater than 0, that means real and distinct roots, that means roots are exist, and if roots are exist, then we need to find its roots. Okay, so use formula x equals to minus b. So what is b? b is minus 7. So in place of b, minus 7 plus or minus square root of d. d is 25. So square root of 25 upon 2a. a is 2. So minus minus plus 7 plus or minus root 25, that is 5 upon 2 to the 4, right? Now separate two values, 7 plus 5 upon 4, and second x equals to 7 minus 5 by 4, right? So it will be 12 by 4, and here it will be 2 by 4. So 4 3s are 12, and here 2 2s are 4. So two roots of the given quadratic equation are 3 and 1 by 2. Okay, so by this method you can easily find out the roots of the given quadratic equation. Similarly, you can easily find out for the another quadratic equation, right? So your today's homework is repeat class work and question number 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? ये तीनों इक्वेशंस जो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन उसके रूट्स फाइंड करना है, ओके, इफ दे एग्जिस्ट. ओके, रिपीट क्लास वर्क ऑफ एक्सरसाइज नंबर 4.3. okay, so this is your 2 days homework, right? So see you next lecture with the next some word problems also, right? Till then, goodbye and take care.